Okay, let's bring on board then Yogesh Dhingra, CFO and CEO at Blue Dart, and talk about their numbers. Good chatting with you then, Yogesh. Thanks for joining in. Talk to us about the first about the top line. What's the split in contribution from B2B as well as B2C, and how are they seen growing now compared to the last few quarters?
You see, now with the improvement in economy, B2B has also started showing improvement. So both B2B as well as B2C have shown increase in terms of growth.
Right. And what's the shipment volume traction and price trajectory? Because, e-commerce division, Blue Dart Aviation, other segments, we'd like to know how all of them are performing.
You see, B2C, if one has to analyze for the whole year, 15-16, that how much percentage was it to our total business is about 25%. And we are primarily into air express of both B2B and B2C. So our aviation system, which we have put in place, is really supporting us, and we have recently added 757-200 aircraft to increase our load carrying capacity. So that way, I think we are almost ready now to see the further surge in the economy, and both B2B and B2C we seem to have a good future for us.
So how have EBITDA margins shaped up based on the current mix of factors, and what kind of improvement are you working towards?
You see, if you analyze our margin for 15-16 over 14-15, you will see a good improvement. And so generally we look at margin for the whole year. It's not fair to do a margin comparison for each quarter, because each quarter, because of seasonality or any abnormality, can impact. So on a annualized basis, I think we have done reasonably well. You would see that our margins have improved as compared to last year. Going forward, any organization will always like to either maintain or grow the margin. So that endeavor for us would continue, and our teams all across the country would fight for it.
So what kind of utilization rates are you expecting for the e-fulfillment centers, going by your experience at Gurgaon and Bangalore centers, the average margins this division could operate at, and the payback period you are penciling in for such centers?
You see, like when we add an aircraft, you don't really fill that aircraft day one. It takes time for any kind of investment. When you put a capacity, the utilization starts improving over a period of time. So that thing happens even with fulfillment center also. So in terms of margin, when we look at margin, we look at B2C e-com as one vertical and B2B traditional as another vertical. So we really, yes, one can always pull out margin and profitability for each lane, each client. All that is possible, but as a macro level, we look at B2C e-com and B2B as two segments, and then monitor the profitability.
Okay, good chatting with you. Thank you so much for really highlighting what went on with Blue Dart this particular quarter. That was Yogesh Dhingra speaking first to us right here on ET Now. But TTK Prestige has been another